Hello, I'm Ian and welcome to this update video for CrackMaths. For those of you that are new to the site and new to the YouTube channel, CrackMaths is a channel that has been designed to help anyone studying towards a level 2 maths qualification, be that either functional skills level 2 or GCSE maths. The website, crackmaths.co.uk, I initially built it around the functional skills level 2 maths curriculum, breaking the whole curriculum down into 70 short tutorials that you can follow on YouTube or follow on the site at your own pace to make sure that you've got something kind of to help you with your independent study. And talking about those 70 tutorials, with that in mind, it brings me to the first big update, which is I've made a book. So it's nothing actually too exciting. It is, in fact, it's all the sheets that are available to you for free on the website. It's just that I've printed them out, put them in a book. So if you want to be able to fill them in, that is something that you will be able to do. So if you scan the QR code, it will take you to the YouTube lesson. And yeah, and then you can complete here. Also in the book at the back is the answers. There's also an index and a contents at the front. So yeah, it's just like a book. Anyway, that is that is in its final stages of being proofread, being getting ready to go out. And so if you're watching this video after June, check the description for a link and that should take you to a place where you can buy the book. If you're watching this before the 14th of May and you've always dreamed about having your name in a maths textbook, I've got loads of questions with loads of names in it. So if you want to have your name feature in the book, just drop your name and your pronouns in the comment and I will make that happen. I mean, I know from my own experience, my name's Ian and it's spelt the unusual way with the I-A-I-N. And one time I found a maths question with my name in it and it honestly made my day. It was about cricket, it was about probability, and Ian actually even won the cricket game. So I know how much these things can make your day if that is something that you're deprived of. Okay, anyway, second big update. I have started loading GCSE content onto the website. So those of you that have been using the website for functional skills, you might notice that on my thumbnails, I tried to put a sticker on there which says functional skills tick and GCSE tick. That is because the content for the functional skills curriculum is applicable to the Foundation GCSE. Okay, so that sticker's there to show you that this lesson or the lesson that you're watching is suitable for both functional skills and GCSE, and it's something that you should be watching. However, I am now uploading the extra content onto the website, which is only required for the Foundation GCSE Maths. So I'm going to be putting a sticker on this content, which just says Foundation GCSE Maths, and that means that unless you're studying Foundation GCSE Maths, you don't need to study those videos. The other way of telling which videos you should be studying is if the video is numbered 1 to 70, it's for functional skills and GCSE. If it's numbered from 71 to 140, then it is just for Foundation GCSE. So just make sure that you check out for that. And actually, when we're talking about GCSE, that brings me on to my third update, which is all about live lessons. And live lessons are coming back. They're coming back every other Thursday, starting from this week. And in the first 3 live lessons that I'm doing, we're going to actually be covering the GCSE past papers because it is in fact GCSE exam season. And I know that a lot of people that study functional skills also study GCSE maths. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to just do 3 past papers just ahead of each exam to help anyone out that is working for that. And anything else? I think that's it, actually. So thank you so much for watching if you've got here. If you have any questions about how to use CrackMaths website, crackmaths.co.uk, or how to use the YouTube channel, please pop them in the comments and that'll be wonderful. Okay, so have a lovely day and I will see you soon. Bye.